of girl. Shit. In India, like country, where the thinking is patriarchy, they teach women to tolerate, able to think what is right and what is wrong for them. In our society, like the patriarchy thinking is going on from years and years, and as a parent, actually breaking down you by the domestic violence impacted on women in every aspect: psychological aspect, mental aspect, emotional aspect. Psychologically, they are broke down and they not even worth, try to disrespect you in mentally, physically, emotionally, try to broke down you, physically hitting you, emo. So we will start with the introduction. What is domestic violence and why it is taking place? Domestic violence is something that someone try to scare you, try to degrade your self. Respected sir and my dear friends, I am Ritika Chaurasi and today I will be presenting on the topic of social group work practice with domestic violence on women. Right to live with respect. Social group workers advocate them about their rights, that what is wrong and what is right, about their social rights, economic rights, and how they can develop a new life for them. Tries to build opportunities for them to work and get out from that abusive world. They help them in each and every way to come up for new life with their childrens, their parents. They don't have to tolerate any person abuse for living. We all have these approaches, and they conducted one-on-one sessions and sessions in as a group also. They discussing their problem and helping them to build a bright future for them. They also the social group workers counsel them, support them to heal from the traumatizing and socially disturbed life. They also they team up the members and conduct many sessions with them and build up a strong essence of strength. The role of group workers in the domestic practice on women. They conducted many sessions and using approaches for different groups, trauma based. So coming to the next topic, what is social group work and how they are helping women to come out from the domestic violence. Social group work is a process by which professional social group workers make a strong team of persons whose interests are same, who's suffering from the same problem. Future for them and for their loved ones. They develop their skills, enhance their confidence, and also contribute in the economic and social change for the society. In conclusion, I only want to say that in society we all have to stand for women. It's just not they. If someone is only hitting the women, it is a domestic violence. If someone torturing them continuously, mentally stood up with their selves and stood up what is right and develop a new and better life for them and their loved ones. The outcome of the activity is the women know about their rights by advocating, and they will get out from the abusive behavior of their husbands, of their in-laws, or anyone who is abusing them mentally, physically, emotionally. They build a new awareness about the domestic violence in another community also. They also influencing, advocating and social change by encouraging them and aware them about the policies for their rights They also give the women opportunities to educate, to work. Instead of getting domestic violence, they had to. The social group workers also conduct many advocacy and community engagement program for awareing every women about their rights, and they don't have to tolerate domestic women. They engage women, conduct campaign about the awareness, social awareness. They also give the opportunity to some women to make up with their team, and as a team they will work and promote the, because it's our society and it's our duty to make a change and positive change in the society for everyone, and giving equal opportunity of living to make a beautiful and safe environment for everyone. Thank you for watching.